everybody. In this video, I'm going to create the stack for the miniature train. So let me start off with my English standard template. I'm going to start my 2D sketch on this XY plane. I'm going to draw a line straight up. That thing is, let me zoom out a little bit. Make me go way up. Straight up. I'm going to change this line to a center line. I'm going to use my concentric constraint to grab the middle of this line there and smack it to this origin here, like so. And then I want to begin creating this. So I'm just going to draw from this origin out to the right. I'm going to come up, come over a little bit. Just going to draw the basic shape of this thing. Not worried about dimensions. Sometimes when you do that, it gets kind of wonky when you start adding dimensions onto it, but we'll get it to work. Draw this over and down. All right, so let's see what we can do. So I know that this dimension is 0.25. And then the height of this from here to here is 1.75. Wasn't too far off, 1.75. And then from this corner to the center here, that's 1.5. That's pretty close. I'm getting good. Getting good. All right, so then I know that from here to the center line here, that has a diameter of 0.5. 0.5. That's where things start to get kind of wonky. Is that right? 0.5? I'm looking. Yeah. So I need to move this over a little bit. Probably need to move all this over a little bit. Come back this way. Okay, so then I know that from this corner to the center line, that's 1.25. 1.25. And then I need to move you over like so. So I know that that has an angle of 15. I also know, let's see. Let me draw a line from this edge straight up. I'm going to make this line a construction line so that I can dimension this and make that 15 like they're telling us it needs to be. And the dimension from this line to the center line, that is 0.375. Diameter 0.375. And I know that this line to our center line, that is 0.875. 0.875. Like so. I'm going to take this and drag the end up, if I can do that. Drag you straight up. I don't know why it moves my dimensions with it, but we can move them back down. Move you back down. Come on, join the party. All right, so there's that much. So the height of this guy is also 0.250 as well, which it already is. The height of this is, I'm trying to look and see what we got for that one. All right, so this is 0.375. 0.375. Again, I don't know why you jumped way up there. Are you trying to escape from us? Come on down. All right, so, and then I want to draw a line to kind of close this off. So from here down to there. And that should do us. I got this one. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, so I'm going to finish my sketch. And I'm going to revolve this like so. And then hit OK. I'm going to save this as stack. And there we go. There's our part number 2, our stack. All nice and neat. All right, so let's see. Which other ones do we need to do? I think I need to do the hitch peg. We got a few more left, but we're getting there. All right, I'll see y'all next video. Peace.